as far as the alignment is concerned, I have said and I repeat today, it will be my endeavour to ensure that not a single house goes. This is number one. Number two, I also believe a bridge is necessary. Here is a proactive step of the government, wherein the government wants to build the bridge. The government does not want to wait for the existing bridge to collapse, because we all know it is in a poor condition. So the government does not want tomorrow to be faced in a scenario when we have no bridge at all. So that is why the government has taken the initiative to construct a new bridge. I have also interacted with the farmers, and in principle, all of them say we require a new bridge. They are not disputing the need of a new bridge. The issue is the alignment. According to me, the issue is whose land should be acquired, whether yours or mine. We have put forth before them 7 different alignments, not 3, 7 different alignments. They've come up with another suggestion. So that inspection was supposed to have been carried out, I think, 2-3 days ago. We'll wait for that report, and then we will take a decision, and that decision will once and for all resolved, and we go ahead. I've sought an appointment with the Union Minister of Surface Transport, Mr. Nitin Gadkari. He's supposed to visit Goa, I think, on the 11th, 12th. So I will take a delegation of farmers to him, let them express their reservations, their views, and I'm sure he will try his best to resolve the issue. But I think the only solution for all these issues is talk, dialogue. That Yadagiri and all that, this thing doesn't work. Farmers have filed a case before the NGT court also. So let us see what is the outcome.
Okay.
Welcome.